Hey guys, it's me, Mr. Toad, and I don't really have time for talking because, well, everyone says I'm lame for some reason, so I'll just sit back and enjoy the fight. Okay, I'll give 3 color pencils each to the team and keep 1 for myself that I will write with. So 3 each. Well, 3 to each. And I'm giving 1 to them and 2 to them. And there's 1 left because that's the most powerful one. I'm going for it. Nope. No one can have it. I get the first shot.
Wait, okay guys, we'll charge on my mark. And charge!
Oh, that really hurt.
I'm gonna close the shot. Horse, go to the side. Horsey, quick, pick me up before I get shot. See ya later. Who gets the next shot?
Snivy does. Don't worry, I trained him a new trick because he's my Pokemon. Snivy!
Now it's Bo's turn.
Yeah, it's my turn. Now, my name is Bo for a reason. Get my tail? Oh yeah, my name is Bo because my tail's like a bow and arrow. Ready? Aim! Earthquake! There's an earthquake! Oh, that's just me. Oh wait, that's just me. Never mind.
Okay, I get to go now.
No, wait, I didn't
Turbine, use Leaf Tornado also. Doing. You missed it? I know my nostril. And that's the last you'll see of the Loch Ness Piggy. Went right up my nostril.
Now it's my turn. Bo! I go. As you know, my name's Bo for a reason. Because my tail is a bow. I wasn't even looking. And see what happened.
Oh, right in the bloody stomach. I'm a bit Irish still. Your lad took me out in the stomach. That hurt me so bad.
Okay, this has gone far enough. I'm doing all 3 at the same time.
Why are you going to use them all at once?
Because I think I can make it. Yeah! What? No, I can't.
Yeah, I got one with my bow and I'm going to shoot it back.
Well, it shot all 3 of us, right, guys? Yeah.
Hey, I caught one. Here I go.
Wait, there's one coming.
No, I got it. It's in the air. It's gonna poke someone.
Right in the stomach.
Okay.
I think I should be leader because Mario's hurt.
No, actually, I caught it in my mouth.
Oh, way to go, Mario.
Now let me see. I'm going to try to take out that bear. He's the only one left.
Wait.
Successful.
Wait. Mr. Sack Jr.'s left. Yeah, honey.
Wait, look at mine. Doing.
Still didn't hurt.
Wait, look, the one that's the pig nostril. Oh,
Hey, man, no.
Doing.
It didn't hurt at all. Hey, Mario, use my tail bow so you can aim better.
Okay.
No, not there. Oh.
Okay, guys, the war's done. We won.
Yay! Do disco dance. Do.
I do believe me and my horse have come up with a dance called You Suck. Ready? Here we go.
Hold on, the camera's not facing y'all yet. I'm on the back of my horsey. And Oshawott, you ride Tepig this time. You ride Tepig. Okay. And then Mr. Pinky, you ride Pig Knight. Everyone ride someone. We won! Who? Not this time, you stupid birds. Whatever your name is. Oh, that's it. No, the war's not over yet. No. Oh, that hit me right in the... He didn't even get to finish his sentence.
Okay, now let's show my victory dance called You Suck.
Sorry, Nom, it's about over, so bye. You can't do your victory dance.
It's only 5 seconds.
Okay, do it.
I shake my butt at you. I shake my butt at you.